Hello, I'm Kenneth. I'm making my first video of my robot. A robot I have built on for some time. It's getting out quite solid, you can see. And you can see I'm using a speed controller, brand new, called Sabotage, 2-bit 60 amps, dual speed controller with 60 amps on each side. My battery is a 12 volt, 28 amps. I use two batteries, connected them serial, so I get 24 volt, and it's going in here. And I have a left and a right motors. I have on the back of the speed controller, you can see I'm using 2 channel on my receiver. It's a FM receiver, and my motors is a 110 kilowatts motors with 11 amps connect, and my wheels is an aluminum, and my tracks is rubber, and inside it is a steel wire, so it's really strong. Yeah, it's going over here, and you can see it from the side. The weight is about 120 pound, 60 kilo, and the receiver I'm using is this one. It's 12 channels. I'm also making a body to it, but it's coming. I'm working on a slide bar right now. It should laying on the top of this body here, from the middle up to the other end. It should transport the rest of the body on this piece here. Yes, but that was all from now. Maybe you're looking after me another time, and I'm making a video where I'm turning it on. So see you. That was all from now.